Hey, today let's craft a disposable Christmas candle centerpiece. Let's start with an egg carton, a paper napkin, evergreen plants, pine cones, candles and some white paint. Firstly, cut off the top piece and the flap. Cut off the spikes in the egg carton. Be sure not to cut too much so your candles can stand securely. Put the bottom carton into the top and then fold the napkin all around. I didn't want to use any glue in this project, so decided to use some glass marbles to weigh the napkin down. You can use beans, rice or small rocks as well. If you want a safer option, you can use shot glasses as candle holders, but if you promise you'll be careful, just place the candles in the holes. Then start to add some evergreens by placing them all around. You can use the pine cones as they are, or give them a bit of frost by dry brushing some white paint. I frosted tips of the evergreen plants as well. Now just let's put the pine cones in the places of the eggs. And let's add just a little bit more greenery all around. For a final touch you can use some berries, but as I didn't have any on hand, I used some red beets. I didn't glue them, so I can reuse them after the holidays in my future projects. So here's your eco-friendly table centerpiece that you can use as an advent candle burner. Light one candle each week until the Christmas. Just make sure not to let the flame reach the plants and leave the centerpiece unsupervised. What I like is that this project is not glued. You can simply dispose it after the use, compost the organic parts, recycle paper items, and save what you can reuse in your future crafts. Happy crafting, and thanks for watching!